And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 121. One more time, we'll talk about the brush tool, because we want to create our own custom brushes. You can, for example, use an image, then select an area that you want to use for your brush, maybe with the marquee tool. And once it's selected, you have these marching arms and you can go to Edit, and there you'll find Define Brush Preset. Left click on it, give it a name, maybe Tutorial 1, confirm. Let me create a new layer for the brush. And you can already see when the brush tool is active. This has now our Tutorial 1 brush. Let me go to Select, Deselect. By default, this new brush should be at the end of your brush list. So right here, just scroll to the bottom and you should see it. In our case, it's the Tutorial 1. Make sure it's highlighted, and then you can left click on your empty layer right here. And in the case of a photo, you might want to play around with the blending modes, because we had a white background here on the photo. But that's the way this works, and you can do that with any shape that you create, and even text. So let me create this little text example here, text brush. You hold Control, then left click on the T on the text layer. This selects the text. Then we go to Edit, define our brush preset. I call that Tutorial 2. Confirm. When the brush tool is active, you should already see it. Yet again, it's at the bottom of our list. I'll just left click and the text was added. One of the ways this can be used for text is when you use the brush settings and then simply increase the spacing. You can see your text again, and then just left click and hold and move your mouse around, and this will randomize the text that's painted on your canvas. And this is how you can create a custom brush in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.